I've lost the tall leaders of India. What we need to learn from him and
The world has not seen such a great leader in politics. Manmohan Singh is not only an asset to the country, and he is for the whole world. Whole world leaders used to consult him on budget preparations, including America also. Such a world-class leader we have lost today, and he is responsible to bring various. But the country was trailing under economic crisis. He has brought lot of reforms in the name of like RTA Act, right to information, right to food, right to employment. These are all the programs, and in the whole world praised him for these programs, and the whole world was wondering how can India can manage these finances. Till now, we have managed the finances. We have come out very successfully. It's all because of Manmohan Singh, and we have lost Manmohan Singh today, and we wish he should come back. He should born in India to serve this country.
so he was known for accidental prime minister, but today his performance, we can call him as one of the best prime ministers of India.
Yes, we can. He is the best prime minister of India, and for 9 years, 10 years he ruled this country without even an iota of enmity or anything, and any misdeeds, and he is successful.